Welcome, everybody. It's Chris Johnstone, president of Connection Incorporated, and I'm here to walk you through getting more customers and deals from your past customers. So, here we go. What I'm going to show you how to do is take advantage of the power of social media to get more referrals from your past customers. I don't know if you've noticed when you're out walking around in the world, but people are pretty much addicted to their smartphones. I think it's safe to say that the TV is on its way out. And we are now walking around with TVs in our pockets. Our smartphones are now the screen of choice, and social media actually dominates the amount of time that people are spending on their smartphones. As a matter of fact, in North America, the average cell phone user is on social media over 2 hours per day. It's actually an average of 2 hours and 6 minutes for the average North American. And you can see that here broken down by time. You can see 16 to 24, our millennials, are 3 hours on their smartphones per day. The age range of 25 to 34, 2 hours and 37 minutes. 35 to 44, which is a phenomenal demographic for us to be going after as far as referrals and past customers, is 2 hours and 4 minutes. And then the age range of 45 to 54, that's 1 hour and 39 minutes on their smartphone per day. And if you think about that transition in our society, it is absolutely astounding at how fast that transition has happened, considering the iPhone is just a decade old and high-speed broadband internet to those devices has really only come about in the last 7 or 8 years. That's a massive transformational shift in a very short period of time. Now, what I'm going to show you how to do in this part of the training is how to leverage your customers' addiction to social media and their smartphones to generate more referrals in your business, because most of your clients are too busy to remember the referral. Not only are they too busy to remember to send you the referral, but when you have those really great, really active referral sources in your business, those people are too busy to remember when their friend or family member has referred your name and your phone number. We've all been to the party where we've gotten a referral from one of our friends and we forget the name before we leave the party, right? Well, that's not a very effective referral. So what we're doing is we're using social media so that when people have the opportunity to refer, when they're seeing their friends and their family members talk about buying a house on social, they can enter the conversation, share your posts, share your comments, share your advertisements with their friends and family members. It is also a phenomenal tool so that when your past clients are out networking with their friends, after school, at after school programs or out at the weekend, when they're networking with people and they hear that somebody's buying their home and they don't necessarily remember to refer you, or they do remember to refer you, but they really want to make sure that that referral happens, these advertisements remind your past customers to refer you on social. And the great thing about it is that your past customers will tag their friends on your advertisements, and you are notified of that on your smartphone so that you can follow up the referral and actually reach out to that person that has been referred to you. So the way that this whole process works is we're going to take your past customer database and we are going to upload it to both Facebook and Google, and we are going to retarget that audience or show ads to just those people. So it's very cost effective. I mean, pennies on the dollar. You can't not be doing this in today's world. It is so cost effective to reach that small audience. And we're going to write advertisements that get your past customers to send you referrals. Now, there are 4 specific types of ads that you can run. The 2 most important are testimonials and the activator, but I do believe that you should be using all 4. Now, the reason why is because every different style of ad that you show to your past customers, it gives them a different pathway to tag their friends in a comment or to share your information with them so that you can win the mortgage. So the first is education. So if you're publishing blog content on your website, you should be taking that blog content, putting it into social media advertisements, and then using ads to show it to your past customers. Video content is also huge. You should be leveraging video in your marketing. Absolutely. We've got tons of great training on how to do that for you in our MMA Connected product. If you haven't joined and don't know about that, go to MMAconnected.com. That's MMAconnected.com. Join the program. We are thrilled to help you grow your business using that membership. The other type of ad that you should be running is testimonials. So these should be screenshots of the testimonials that you have on your website, your Google My Business page, on Facebook, even the kind testimonials that your customers email out to you. As long as you have permission to share that in an open forum, you should be turning those into ads and showing them to your past customers. When your past customers see that you are actively closing a lot of business and that you're busy, they are much more comfortable referring more business to you. The third is stories of success. The reason why these are so important and why they're different from testimonials is this is your teaching your past customers all of the different loan products that you offer. So many times people will come to you for the purchase of their home and won't realize that you can help with refinance or reverse mortgages, or that you have programs specific for jumbo or rural loans or VA. So when you can tell the story of how you've helped somebody through one of those specific loan programs that you offer, your past customers go, oh, hey, I didn't know that they do that. And every time you teach them through their news feed that you offer that type of product, you're expanding the number of people that they know that they can actually refer to you. So those are very important. But the most important of them all is the activator. And that is the ad that you see over there on the right-hand side that says, do you know someone looking to buy, sell, or refinance their home? Tag them in a comment below and we'll make sure they get the same exceptional 5-star service that all our clients get. Very simple advertisement, but don't let its simplicity trick you into thinking that it's ineffective. Because what happens is your customers will see this post, show up in their newsfeed, not necessarily understanding that it's just specific to them. They'll think that this is a massive advertising campaign that's going across everybody in your target market, when we know it's just going to your past customers. What they will do is they will click the comment button or the share button, and they will write their friend's name and tag them in the comment. Now that person is notified of your brand, but what's also happening is you're getting notified that that person has been tagged in your advertisement so that you can reach out, finish that referral, and win that business. It's a phenomenal way to go out and grow your business, and you get phenomenal messages like this. Hey, can you help with a refinance, right? This is a referral from a past customer tagged in a post who then reached back out to the business page as a result of a referral from a past customer. This is a great way to get in front of your customers. Now, I mentioned at the beginning of this training that we want you to be uploading your list and advertising to people on both Facebook and Google. And what that creates is this omni-channel marketing effect. So when you retarget your past customers on Facebook, you'll be able to show up in their news feed, right? But we also want you showing up on Instagram and YouTube and Google search. Now that final one, Google search, is so important because advertisers that are advertising on Google right now are paying 10, 15, in really competitive marketplaces, up to $20 per click just to get a click from somebody who types in mortgage lender. And what we're able to do is target your past customers so that if they ever go to Google and type in a phrase like mortgage lender, you're able to buy that space at the top of the search engine for, again, pennies on the dollar. Because you're not advertising specifically on the phrase mortgage lender, you're advertising to a retargeting audience. You can buy that exact same traffic for very little as far as the cost per click. And that person is much more likely to do business with you because they will remember your brand and remember that they got their first mortgage from you. So it's a great way to recapture that business that you might be losing because previous to this training, you may not have had your online brand really up to where it should be with your online advertising. We're going to fix that today, and we're going to get you advertising on all of these channels that are going to generate a result for you. So in the next video, what I'm going to do is show you the different networks, what they look like, and how to set your ads up on Google. And then in the video after that, I will show you how to set up your retargeting ads on Facebook. Again, this is Chris Johnstone, president of Connection Incorporated, and I'll see you in the next video.